Hi, welcome to Money Makers Club. This is where you learn a lot about finance when you unravel so much information about how you can make money with or without stress. It's a platform that is meant for you to learn much about money and how to make money, because if you're not making money, you're not making sense. And we want to dive deeper into how to repay loans today. How do you repay loans? Is loan good or loan bad? Depending on how you use them. I did a video way back, it's on my channel, how to use loan properly. I elaborated the information about loans, why you should take a loan, why you should not take a loan. So you can just watch the channel, check my channel, or you click on this video here and you would watch the information about loans and get the main details about loans. So today we're talking about how to pay loan. What's the best practice to pay loan? I believe at the end of this video you should be able to understand that money you are owing OPay or PalmPay or everything, you can pay them magically. Like, instead of them calling you and swearing for you and calling your family members and disgracing you and everything. So this payment system I'm going to teach you would help you pay those loans strategically, faster and easier for you. And also, if you take them to practice, you will not even have to get another loan, because you will be so knowledgeable enough to understand that you need to be financially stable. So let's dive deeper. I'm still your $1 billion guy again, Dare Osho, aka Dureski. Now, the first thing you need to understand in the repayment of loans, no matter how many loans you have, look at the ones that have high interest rates and pay them first. Loans that have high interest rates, pay them first, because when paying loans, I elaborated that in the video, you need to look at the interest rates, compare that with your earning rates, compare that with your revenue, compare that with what's coming in, the income coming in from the business you're doing with the loan. So I wouldn't even advise anybody take a loan for personal use or for party or for something else. It is not advisable, and I pray by the grace of God we won't be in a situation where we want to take a loan for health issues, because that's something you should not negotiate at all. So first of all, you need to look at not taking loans that have too much high interest rates. Don't let greediness push you to that stage. You will have no options. So now let's talk about pay the high interest loan rate first. After paying them, you're good to go. Be so brutal about paying loans off so you can have good credit score with the financial institution. You won't have any issues again, because let me chip in a story of a friend of mine. He borrowed loan, the whole fair money, and he didn't pay the loan, deleted the apps, and I would say he has come with the money while he's still still where he is, but he didn't pay the loan. They called tirelessly and he didn't pay the loan. So that's crazy. And after a while, I think a year or so, he got a contract and he wanted to use 2 million to finance the contract from somebody, and the person said he could not borrow. So he approached the bank. They said, you have a good inflow and outflow from Sterling Bank, you can get it there. And when you get there, they were processing the loan. You get to the stage of disbursement, and the credit bureau system detect that is owing an institution a certain amount of money, and he has to go and download that loan and that loan app, pay them, and after paying them it take a while. Those times it was wasting times to execute this project, and the contract person that gave him is run guy, you're not serious. So at the end of the day, he paid the loan there and he come back to the bank to get the loan. They said your credit score has reduced based on the fact that he didn't pay that loan on time. So they reduced the money. He has to source out for funds to meet up with the 2.1 million he wanted to get to finance the contract. I was so glad that he later got the job and he finished and all. But that taught me a lesson that if I owe any financial institution, I should pay them off ASAP, and no mago, no absconding with the money, because I should collect loan for business, not for personal use. and I shouldn't even collect loan that I know cannot finance my business. You understand? It's not when you collect loan you increase your lifestyle. But that leads me to the second point. The second point states that reduce your expenses. Reduce your expenses when you are owing debts. Reduce your expenses. If you reduce your expenses, you will realize you have enough money to pay up the loan, and good, you'll be able to pay up your debts. Now, let's get to it. For example, you are owing 500,000 naira and your salary is 100,000 naira. Your expenses is 70,000 naira. 30,000 naira for 12 months cannot pay the money you are owing. You still have like 200,000 left. So apparently you need to cut down your 70,000 expenses to like 50,000 naira, or rather 40,000 naira, or even 60,000 naira to pay up the money. If you're paying 40,000 naira every month, you'll be able to pay 480,000 naira in a year, and you're still owing 20,000 naira. So it is more advisable you cut your money down to like 50,000 naira. When you pay your 1 year loan, you will have extra 100,000 for yourself, and you have a good credit score, and they'll be able to borrow you more money to scale your business, to finance whatever you want to finance in the business world. And I used to advise people, don't take loans for personal use. Take loans that will finance your business. So loans are very good if you know how to spend it. Don't forget that these channels, if you're not making money, you're not making sense. So you need to make money. Money has to work for you to get more money. That's the rich people's mentality. And I would recommend you go read a book. Let me check. I think I have the book here. I'll right back. Yes, so I recommend you go read this book, The Psychology of Money. Is this showing properly? Okay, Psychology of Money. So it's going to enlighten you on proper way to use loans and understand how to make a compound interest to make money. So loans are very good at some points, but you need to pay up your loans. So the third one is this: set up a timely, or set up a bi-weekly or daily automatic contribution for paying your loans. And with that, you're good to go. Like, with discipline. The first thing is discipline. Like, discipline yourself to get the money back. Like, take your eyes off the fact that loans, they're not running after you at that point. You have to discipline yourself. And just like a popular celebrity said when it was alleged that he bought a Benz with and was owing loans of 12 million or something, he was saying, in counter to the allegation, that if you owe money, you will live long. And I think in the sarcasm way, that is correct, because the people that owe you, the people you owe, will not want you to die. I'm going to give you money to work. Oh, for real, it's not making sense, for real. But if you personally give out money to someone, you don't expect to be running after them. So like, the moral standards should be there. A discipline sets of mindset should be there to pay back the loan you take, so you can get benefit for proper or later in the future opportunities. It is very important that you take your financial life serious at this point and pay up every loans you are owing, so you can get more credit facilities. And as I will always say, make more money, be smart working, explore all opportunities around you. Don't have a limitation, don't give yourself one, and at the end of the day, you're good to go. So I still remain your $1 billion guy, Dario Shaw, aka Dureski. Today I just told you guys about how to pay your loan. That palm pay you are owing, that old pay that you are calling your family running after you, it's never gonna happen again if you take the necessary steps. Thank you and have an amazing day. Bye. Don't forget to check our channel for more amazing videos on how to elevate your financial life. You don't want to go broke. 2025 is here. You need to get your finance up. Yeah, take care.